This is how to make animated text captions like Cenat in Premiere Pro. So first, we need to recreate the text design. So select all your caption layers and then go to Essential Graphics. If you don't have this panel, then go to Window and enable Essential Graphics. Now inside the Edit tab, you can change the font. And Cenat uses the font Bebas Nui. You can also center all the captions using this panel. And you can also move them up or down using these controls. Under Appearance, you can change the fill color to yellow or whatever you want, and then click on OK. Now enable stroke and then set the color to black, and also adjust the stroke size to around 9. Then enable shadow and make sure it's set to black. And you can now pause the video and then copy these settings. Now to animate the captions, we still need to make sure that all the captions are selected, and then under graphics and titles, click on upgrade caption to graphic. This will allow us to add effects to them. Now to make the pop-out text effect, you need to go to effects and search transform. Then apply the effect to the first text layer. And with that layer selected, go to effects controls and make sure you're at the start of the clip. Now to adjust the anchor point from which the text pops in from, you need to click on transform and then adjust the anchor point and position value so both are positioned in the middle of the text. Now to create a pop-in effect, click on the stopwatch next to scale to create the keyframe. Then move forward 3 frames by pressing the right arrow key 3 times. And then adjust the scale value to 115. Then move forward 3 frames again and adjust the size to 105. And to add motion blur to the pop effect, you can simply increase the shutter angle to 360. And this is the pop effect. And you can create a preset out of this by right clicking on the transform effect and then click on save preset. Now name it whatever you want and then click on OK. And you will now be able to find it in the effects. So you can simply highlight all the text layers and then apply the preset to that. To learn more about Premiere, click on the video on screen right now. Now see you there.